From actionable ops, here's how to run a whole team of agents from one board. Hermes Kanban, a task queue that survives restarts, spans projects, and carries its own source files. Kanban is a durable task board, shared across all your Hermes profiles. Every task is a row in a local SQLite database. Every handoff is a row anyone can read, and every worker is a real, named agent. Unlike a quick sub-agent swarm, this work survives restarts, and you can watch it the whole way. One install can hold many boards, one per project or repo, each fully isolated. It's the bigger cousin of delegation. Delegate task is a function call. It blocks, the child is anonymous, and if it fails, it's just failed. Kanban is a work queue. Fire and forget, named workers with memory, and any task can be retried, picked up by a different role, or paused for a human. Reach for it when work crosses agents or has to outlive one turn. Work moves through columns, just like a real board. Triage, to-do, ready, running, blocked, and done. You drop a task in, assign it to one of your named profiles, and it flows across as the work progresses. Drop a rough idea in triage, and the decomposer can fan it into child tasks for you. Set it up once with Hermes Kanban in it, then create tasks and assign them. The dispatcher lives inside the gateway and ticks every 60 seconds. It finds ready tasks, claims them, and spawns the assigned profile as a worker. Add the goal flag, and the worker runs in a goal loop with a judge until the task is truly done or the turn budget runs out. So just keep the gateway running. Each worker is a full process with its own identity, not a thread. It reads its task, does the work, sends a heartbeat on long jobs, and finishes with a structured summary and metadata, all through dedicated Kanban tools. No skill to install. The worker lifecycle is auto-injected into every worker's system prompt at spawn. Tasks can carry file attachments, PDFs, images, source docs, up to 25 megabytes each, and the worker reads them directly. Only that summary carries forward, so the next agent starts clean but informed. The real magic is decomposition. Assign a goal to an orchestrator profile, or just drop a one-line idea into triage, and Hermes fans it into a graph of child tasks, each routed to the best specialist you've set up. Dependencies link them, so a writer task only goes ready once its researchers finish. For a bigger shape, Kanban Swarm builds a fan-out plus verifier plus synthesizer graph in one shot. One install can hold many boards. Create one per project, repo, or domain, and each gets its own database, its own workspaces, and its own logs. Workers are pinned to a single board, so they physically cannot see tasks on another one. Scratch workspaces are wiped on completion, and the first time that happens, the dispatcher logs a warning so nothing vanishes silently. Tag tasks with a tenant when one fleet serves multiple businesses, and workers namespace their memory by that tag. And you're never locked out. If a worker gets stuck, it blocks the task instead of guessing. You drop a comment and unblock it, from the dashboard or even your phone with /Kanban, and the next run reads your note. Crashes get reclaimed automatically, and every attempt is logged as its own run. Create a task from a chat, and that chat is auto-subscribed to its terminal events, on by default via auto-subscribe on create, so you hear the moment it finishes or blocks. Set it false in config if you want explicit subscribes instead. For people, there's a real board. Run Hermes dashboard and open the Kanban tab. Drag and drop cards between columns, lanes per agent, live comment threads, and updates that stream in the instant any agent acts. A board switcher appears the moment you have more than one. That's the Kanban board in Hermes, built by Noose Research. And for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.